Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a shutdown timer Windows 10. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu and then open the Run dialog box. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu and typing Run, or by pressing the Windows plus or keys on your keyboard. In the Run window, you'll need to type a specific command to set the shutdown timer. Type shutdown-s then -t followed by the number of seconds until you want your computer to shut down. For example, if you want your PC or laptop to shut down after 10 minutes, you would type shutdown-s-t 600. Here, 600 represents the number of seconds, so your computer will turn off automatically after 10 minutes. Once you press enter, your system will prompt you about the auto shutdown time, letting you know that the shutdown has been scheduled. And that's it. Your computer is now set to shut down automatically after the time you specified. If you change your mind and want to cancel the shutdown timer, it's really easy to do. Just open the Run dialog box again and type shutdown-a. This command will cancel the scheduled shutdown. And there you have it. That's how you set shutdown timer Windows 10. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.